Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce at home, updated. Begin by washing peppers and removing stems, then choose whether to ferment or cook. For fermenting, pack peppers with 2% brine and keep at room temperature for several days. For quick sauce, roast or simmer peppers with vinegar and salt, then blend until smooth. Taste and adjust with sugar, citrus, or extra vinegar for balance. Fermentation gives a complex, tangy flavor that canned peppers often lack, and it's surprisingly forgiving. Start by chopping peppers and submerging them in a 2% salt brine, then seal in a jar with an airlock or loose lid. Let the mix sit at room temperature, tasting every few days until it reaches the right acidity and aroma. When done, blend with vinegar and strain for a smoother finish. If you want a fast, vivid sauce, roast or simmer peppers with vinegar and aromatics, then blend until smooth. Use roughly 1 cup vinegar for every 2 cups of peppers as a starting point, and add 1 tablespoon sugar or citrus to balance heat and acidity. Blend while warm, then let cool and bottle in sterilized jars. Refrigerate to preserve freshness and shake before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.